Did you know a 30-year-old can buy $1 million of life insurance on a term life policy for $200 a year? Term life insurance is probably the most popular product that we sell. And it's popular because it's, as you can see, very affordable. Term life in its truest form it covers you at your current age, and it covers you for 1 year, and it covers you for as much money as you want. And as you can see, it can be pretty cheap. Now, as the older you get, the worse your health gets, the more expensive it is. So a very popular form of term life insurance policy is what they call a fixed term, where we can add 10 years or 20 years or 30 years or 15 years or whatever number you want, and you're locking your age in for that number of years. This is valuable because usually the reason people buy insurance, I mean, you don't just want to buy life insurance for the heck of it. You buy it because you realize that there's family that you have that is going to be devastated if you go, financially, morally, every way around. So what do? You know, I mean, you insure your house, you insure your boat, you insure your car, you insure everything else. Truth is, if the boat sinks or the car gets stolen, everybody's fine. But if you go, not so much. So it's very important. There's lots of different types of term policies, and you can stretch into other types of policies that you know, have savings components to it. There's other types of policies that will lock your age in, and there's no fixed term, but that's not term. That's for the whole life and the universal life. I guess the point is, insurance, especially life insurance, can be very tricky. And you know, how do you make sure that what you want or what you need is what you get? You need to be able to talk to somebody and brainstorm with them and say, okay, here's how much I can put aside, here's how much, you know, what can I get for this? And that's where we can come in. So finding a good agent, whether it's us or anyone else, is very important. You should look for somebody that has lots of companies. The more the companies, the better. The more the products, the more the prices, and some people aren't perfectly healthy. Sometimes we need more companies to find which one's going to give you the best deal. Reputation's important. Look for an agency that has 4- and 5-star reviews, and lots of them. A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and Trusted Choice gives you an idea of what they're all about. While you're at it, find somebody nice. I have so many people call me and tell me that they've been intimidated, or they just don't feel comfortable calling up their agent and just, you know, asking a silly question. And you also need to find somebody with experience. I have over 25 years of experience in life and health myself. My staff's been with me, most of the staff's been with me well over 10 years. We're good and we know what we're doing. So I guess the point is whether you go with us or find somebody else, find a good agent that cares about you and has your best interests at heart. I'm sure you'll be happy you did. Thank you.